Warning, this video contains graphic images that may not be suitable for little sissy bitches, so your discretion is advised. We kill shit here.
Alright guys, we are basically in a blizzard, and yeah, something else. We're gonna get 40-mile-an-hour winds, and look what we got. Number 42 on a cable. Beautiful dog. Just to be clear, she's not been out here in the snow all day. It just started snowing about 3 hours ago. We're gonna have, like I said, it's blizzard conditions. I'm tripping traps. She just happened to already be here because it was nice last night. It just started snowing this morning, and to let you know how bad it is, I work in a production facility. They canceled work for all 3 shifts. Of course, I had to work. I was already there, so I worked 4 hours. But we got a dog, and it is gonna get super windy and cold. So we're happy to have probably one last dog for the season, and then we're moving on to beavers. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. We got us a blizzard dog. All right, we got her down. I just went ahead and went live on YouTube. If you were in my live, I appreciate it. You guys, it means a lot to me to get you guys in the live streams. That's why she's kind of covered with snow a little bit. It is in fact a she. So, where is this is just a cable restraint. We are in Missouri. It's just a relaxing lock if I could get a hold of it. I'm trying to do this one-handed and not have... There we go. Well, the GoPro is causing me problems, so the batteries are going fast. It's too cold for it. But I was trying to show that this is a relaxing lock. We're using cable restraints. It goes both ways here. Trying to. Well, I grabbed the wrong side. Okay, here we go. Oh, with one-handed shit sucks. It's just a relaxing lock. There ain't nothing to it. Well, we got a dog, nonetheless, waiting for us on this trail. Like I said before, so you can see here, I had already cut my dog here, the first dog. I always put 2 cables on a trail. Usually it's in case one gets knocked down, but I always plan on getting something on them too. This trail is toast now. We'd have to move clear back up in there now, but 2 coyotes. So usually I get 2 trails or 2 cables, and I end up with 2 coyotes, so it works out. Always put 2 at least. We got a good dog, number 32. Hopefully that's not the last one, but it's going to be kind of hard. There's only 6 days left, and we're about to get a ton of snow and drifts and everything else. So, all right, let's get out of here. feels good to be back in here. You can see a little chilly out there. No matter how well I bundled up, it's always good when you head south. You're like, oh man, this ain't bad. But at the very end of the line, you turn around and you're headed towards the end of the wind, and things change. You're like, oh my God, why did I goof around out here? Why did I go live? But look, get her, the coyote, gonna get thawed out here. Got a fire going. We're gonna warm it up. But hey, I bought some. I didn't buy these buckets, but I got these buckets ready for 220s for Iowa for probably finish off the last 5 days there. I got some glow in the dark paint. I'm gonna paint them a little bit and see if that makes the stick out in the snow. It's gonna be pure white out there, so go show you outside. I'm gonna have to get the plow on the four-wheeler and get to work here. I'm gonna warm up a little bit though.